Hello, class. Since we're going to be using a wiki this year, and it may be the first time that you've used a wiki, I wanted to make sure that you understood just how a wiki works and where to find it. And most of all, how to be polite when you're using a wiki. Because we don't want anyone to have hurt feelings because we weren't polite. So let's look at how to find the wiki and how to actually use it. Once we're on the announcements page and we've found the group wikis toggle switch, I've marked it with a green arrow. You're going to click on that switch and it will take you to the wikis page. Now I've already created a wiki for you that says everything that I know about volcanoes, and if you think back to it, that's what our assignment is. So now you have to do something else. You are going to click on the link to the wiki called Everything That I Know About Volcanoes. And the link is the blue lettering right there, and I've indicated it with a green arrow. That link will take you to this page. And what you're going to do is you're going to edit wiki content. I've indicated that with the green arrow. Now this finally takes you to the wiki page. And this is a wiki page about what you know about volcanoes. So it's really important that you think before you do any writing. Now when you get to the edit wiki page, what I want you to do is write your name so that we know whose information this is and what this person knows about volcanoes. And then I want you to write what you know about volcanoes. The next person who comes along, Judy's student, will also write her name as well as what she knows about volcanoes. Now, I'm going to ask you to think about something. I want you to think about facts that you know about volcanoes and not opinions. Judy's second statement is an opinion. Judy doesn't like volcanoes. And Judy is certainly entitled to her opinion, but that's not a fact that Judy knows or thinks she knows about volcanoes. So please keep your opinions out of it. Now, if you remember, one of the things that I said is I wanted you to be polite when you're doing the wiki. And these are some things that just aren't very polite. In this case, somebody has decided that they didn't like something that John's student wrote. And so they are deleting what John's student wrote. This isn't okay. This is John's student's information. No one else has a right to take away the information that John's student wrote. Here somebody thought they were being funny or just being rude and bullying John's student by saying that what he wrote was stupid. This is not acceptable. The third thing that I want to bring to your attention is any student. Look at how big that is. That takes up a lot of space, and it makes it very difficult for other students to write things. Please, everyone should be writing normal Arial 3. Not any larger than that, please. Now this assignment is supposed to be fun. And it's going to be fun when we can compare what we knew before we started learning about volcanoes and what we know after we learn about volcanoes. So be polite and have fun.